All right, math test 2.2. On this test, I can, number one is TEK 6.2a, classify whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers using a visual representation, such as a Venn diagram, to describe relationships between sets of numbers. So 3 sets of numbers are shown in the Venn diagram: whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. Which of these numbers can be placed in the shaded area of the diagram? A, -5, B, 3.5, C, 1/2, or D, not here. Number 2 deals with TEK 6.2b, identify a number, its opposite, and its absolute value. So the question says, the absolute value of -4 plus 5 equals, is it A, 1, B, -1, C, 9, or D, -9? Number 3 is associated with TEK 6.2c. Locate, compare, and order integers and rational numbers using a number line. The question says, Alyssa will correctly label the numbers 48.4, 48 1/2, 48.09, and 48 3/5 on the number line below. Which number will be located closest to 49? Is it A, 48.4, B, 48 1/2, C, 48.09, or D, 48 3/5? Number 4, TEK 6.2d, order a set of rational numbers arising from mathematical and real-world context. The question says, which list shows the temperatures in order from coldest to warmest in degrees Fahrenheit? A, -10 degrees Fahrenheit, 8 degrees Fahrenheit, -5 degrees Fahrenheit, and 0 degrees Fahrenheit. B, -5 degrees Fahrenheit, -10 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Fahrenheit, and 8 degrees Fahrenheit. C, -10 degrees Fahrenheit, -5 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Fahrenheit, and 8 degrees Fahrenheit. And then D, 0 degrees Fahrenheit, -5 degrees Fahrenheit, 8 degrees Fahrenheit, and -10 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 5, 6.2e, extend representations for division to include fraction notation, such as a divided by b represents the same number as a divided by b, where b is not 0. Which 2 expressions each represent 3/12? A, 3 divided by 12 and 3 divided by 12. B, 12 divided by 3 and 12 divided by 3. C, 12 divided by 3 and 3 divided by 12. Or D, 3 divided by 12 and 12 divided by 3. Number 6, 6.3a, recognize that dividing by a rational number and multiplying by its reciprocal result in equivalent values. Which expression is equivalent to 8/9 divided by 3/4? Is it A, 8/4 times 9/3? B, 8/9 times 4/3? C, 9/8 times 3/4? Or D, 9/8 times 4/3? Number 7, 6.3b, determine with and without computation whether a quantity is increased or decreased when multiplied by a fraction, including values greater than or less than 1. In the expression shown, p represents a rational number, 4 times p. What value of p makes the expression equal a number less than 4? A, 9/8, B, 19/17, C, 7/8, or D, 16/16. Number 8, 6.3c, Represent integer operations with concrete models and connect the actions with the models to standardized algorithms. Question says, which expression is represented on the number line? Is it A, negative 12 divided by negative 3, B, 0 minus negative 12, C, negative 3 times negative 4, or D, 3 times negative 4? Number 9, 6.3D. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers fluently. The question says, a team of 4 players competed in a golf contest. The names and scores of the players on the team are shown in the table. The team scores is the sum of all the scores in the table. Brett, negative 2, Elliot, plus 3, Lynn, negative 4, and Tyrone, negative 1. What is the team's score? Is it F, 10, G, negative 10, H, negative 4, or J, not here? Number 10, 6.3E, multiply and divide positive rational numbers fluently. The question says, Mr. Stein is purchasing 2.25 pounds of meat that costs $2.80 per pound. How much change should Mr. Stein receive if he gives a cashier $20? Is it F, $6.30, G, $13.70, H, $14.95, or J, $2.52? Number 11, 6.4G, generate equivalent forms of fractions, decimals, and percents using real-world numbers, including problems that involve money. So the question says, a meteorologist at a television station reported that a town received 0.95 inches of rain. Which fraction is equivalent to this amount of rain in inches? F, 19 over 50, G, 19 over 20, H, 95 over 10, or J, 9 over 5? Number 12, 6.11a, graph points in all 4 quadrants using ordered pairs of rational numbers. So the question says, the coordinate grid shows points J, K, L, and M. Which point best represents the ordered pair negative 2.5, comma, 3? Is it A, point J, B, point K, C, point L, or D, point M?